I'm gonna attempt to make sushi. This one with the pointy, and then A is this hollow rectangle one. Line inside of A with a sheet of seaweed, then fill evenly with sushi rice. Next, use D to create a groove into the rice. Is this one, and create a groove. Alright. Now it says add your favorite ingredients into the groove, then fill the rest of the way with rice. The avocado. Trying to place it evenly. Ta-da! So I'm just going to add a few of these power greens. Trying to keep it in the groove. Not the worst ever. Like medium worst. Let's just clean it up just a little bit. Fill the rest of the way with rice. Now, what does that mean, the rest of the way? Well, we'll soon find out. So, now it says, wrap seaweed around rice using C again to press the seaweed firmly into place. Firmly pressing. So you're using 3 different parts now. I just don't know if it'll make that shape if I don't press really hard. Just gonna let that rest for a second. Let's take a look. As I've always seen at sushi restaurants, they wet their knife. Use C to press on top and remove A by sliding up and over C. Doesn't it look perfect? And look at that end. Maybe I'll take this one out. They're a little bit wonky and the rice isn't amazing, but first try. Put this here. Just wanted to quickly show you how easy it is to make wasabi. Mold it into a shape that you like on a spoon. I could sprinkle a little sauce on this, I guess. But I'm really happy with just the way it looks. It looks like it's black in the middle, but it's a really beautiful dark red pink color. And it's gonna add a little bit extra flavor because there's so much rice.